I wanted to do a quick video and show you my 3 booths that I have at the Painted Tree in Snellville, Georgia. I have booths B1, D11, and D12. If you come into the store, please go Christmas shopping with me. The first booth is my permanent booth, which is booth B1. This one, as soon as you walk in the store and turn left, it's right at the front of the store on aisle B, the very first booth. It's a corner booth. This booth I have all year long, and I have all sorts of things in there for happy birthday and get well soon and thank you and whatever the season is, Easter, Valentine's Day, Christmas. I do everything thematically. I have a lot of candy bouquets, candy cakes. I have lollipop bouquets. I have both chocolate candy and sour candy. I have a lot of candy jars. In the bottom there, you'll see a whole array of party favors. There are different decorator boxes with candy inside of them, so they're already pre-filled. I have a lot of mugs. Some have candy, some have cookies, some have coffee and syrup. I do have all sorts of other items that are for whatever the season is. What you're seeing there are little decorative containers that are shaped by animals and things like that have different candy in them. So come by and see this booth. This one is here all year long, and I switch the inventory out based upon the season. This next booth is my Christmas booth. This is D12, so it's on the main aisle. As soon as you walk in the store, if you go straight and go about halfway through the store, there's a side aisle, and this is right on the corner. So this is D12. This is mostly my Christmas stuff. I have changed things around a little bit because I've had to add some more inventory because I sold a lot of this. I have a lot of hot cocoa items, a lot of tea items, a lot of coffee items, and of course candy. I have all sorts of things for group gifts, if you have to get something for school, if you have to get teacher gifts, if you need something for work, if you need something for like a Sunday school class, any kind of group that you're getting together. One of my more popular items are my hot cocoa packs and my apple cider packs and my tea packs. They're all like $2 or $3. They're very inexpensive. I do have a lot of, just like in my first booth, in this booth, but they're Christmas themed, a lot of mugs with like cookies or teapots with hot cocoa and tea in them. I have a lot of like candy sleeves. I have whisks with candy in them. I have K-cup decorator packs. I have snow globes with candy in them. I do have also some wreaths that I made. Some are candy canes. I've got one that's a Santa hat. This is still showing my one table that I had that still had my fall items on it. I had everything from pumpkins to a garland. I had all sorts of fall-related gifts. Now, the next booth I'm going to show is D12. It is literally right across the aisle, so it's on the same aisle, but on the opposite side. And this is more of my paper crafting. And so I have this all year also. So one of my more popular items are my blind date with a book. So these are surprise books. I buy really good books, and I decorate them and put goodies in the front. I also have a whole display of journal kits. They're journals that have like paper clips and all sorts of things wrapped together. And I also have day planners. I also have 2 huge stations with handmade cards and handmade journals and books. These are all composition books or books I've made myself. I have recipe keepers. I have small journals, big journals, and then I have a whole selection of handmade cards, again, for every occasion you could possibly think of. I'm showing some more of my wreaths. These were very popular for the fall. These were my pumpkin wreaths. I had ribbon ones, yarn ones, all sorts of different kinds. I also have a display of stuffed plushes. This first one is Bearington Bear collection, and then the second 2 are Ty collection. On this display, I have a large selection of bookmarks. I have everything from spiritual, religious to inspirational, and then like just geometric patterns. I have a lot of Christmas gift bags. And then one of my more popular items right here are all the small little paper crafts that I make. These are everything from chapstick holders to nail file holders. I have a lot of sticky notes, the little tiny ones, all the way up to the 3x5, and then a lot of the tablets covered. I have a couple of more of the bags. And then on the bottom here, I have a lot of gift card holders that I've made, again, for whatever theme you could think of. This is the complementary table to the one across the aisle that also still has fall stuff on it. Again, you can see a lot of candy trays, a lot of fabric pumpkins, some yard signs, some more fall picks, some garland. I have all sorts of decorative items that stand up, like little plaques and things like that. I actually did just put a lot of Christmas stuff on that table because I sold a lot of the fall items. And so now there's probably more Christmas stuff on there. So again, this is booth D11 and D12 down on the main aisle. So if you're going Christmas shopping, please come by and see me. I have a lot of really good stuff, excellent stocking stuffers and gift baskets. So I appreciate it. Happy crafting.